Hey y'all, Cannon here with Free Tours by Foot DC, and a question we get asked a lot is the best views of the White House. How do we see the White House? So in this video I'm going to tell you 4 of our best views of the White House, how to see it on foot, how to drive by, and how to see it on a tour. Now I am just talking about the views outside. If you want to go inside, that's a whole different video. We have it linked right up here. So there are 2 sides of the White House. There's the South Lawn and the North Lawn. So the South Lawn is the side that I am standing at right now, and I will walk over to the North Lawn on the other side in just a moment. So the South Lawn is the side that you can see from the National Mall. You can see it from the base of the Washington Monument or walking along between the monument and the World War II Memorial. The North Lawn you can get a lot closer to. So the question is, do you want to see the White House in passing as you're visiting other things like the memorials on the National Mall, or do you want to get really close and take a selfie? So to access the South Lawn, you can take the pedestrian entrances from 15th or 17th Street, or just walk across the grass from Constitution Avenue from the National Mall. So the White House is usually smaller than people expect it to be, like the building itself, but the grounds and the security perimeter are pretty large. They're bordered south by Constitution Avenue along the National Mall, north by 8th Street Northwest, and on either side by 15th and 17th. The White House being centrally located downtown, it's pretty easy to visit on foot. You can also find a number of city buses that stop right on the north side of Lafayette Square. There's a metro station. McPherson Square has a White House exit, which is about a block across the street from the White House. You can also easily get there from any of the downtown metros. Now, a neat thing to do on the South Lawn of the White House, this is where Marine One, the president's helicopter, takes off and lands. And it's really neat to be standing on the ellipse when he flies over. But I'll put a link in the description below that has the president's schedule online, and it tells you what time that he is landing on the South Lawn. So you can schedule your visit to be here around then and have Marine One fly right over you. So we are exiting the South Lawn here, making our way over to 15th Street so we can loop around and see the White House from the north side. Because of the security perimeter, you can't just go south-north really quickly. You have to go out and around. So you'll see a lot of folks come up Pennsylvania Avenue and they land here at 15th Street, where you can see the Department of Treasury. And then they say, okay, well, how do we see the White House? Personally, I think the best thing to do is turn right, head up north 15th Street. That's going to get you to the North Lawn of the White House, where we are headed now. Another great view of the White House is the POV Bar at the top of the Hotel Washington. So you get a great view of the White House from the east side, kind of a bird's eye view. Now, it is a bar, and they do have a dress code. So if you're going to be visiting it in the evening, you have to be 21 and up. And reservations are highly recommended if you want to get a table with the best view. Now, if you want to see the White House from the north side, where you can get a lot closer, it's Pennsylvania Avenue, which is only open to pedestrians or bicycles and scooters and segways, just no cars. There's an entrance off 15th Street. And there's also an entrance directly across Pennsylvania Avenue from 17th Street. And you can enter via anywhere along 8th Street Northwest to get into Lafayette Square. Now, on occasions, Pennsylvania Avenue and Lafayette Square are closed. Secret Service may close it if the president is coming or going. And then the closest you can get on this side is the fences at 8th Street Northwest. So this is Pennsylvania Avenue, which is the official address of the White House, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue Northwest. If you're going to put it in your GPS, be sure to put in that Northwest, because 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue Southeast is the other side of town, and it's definitely not the White House. So at the intersection of 8th Street and Black Lives Matter Plaza, which is at the end of 16th Street Northwest, 16th Street dead ends at the White House. So if you are coming on foot, just walk across 8th Street. It gets you right into Lafayette Square on the north lawn of the White House. But if you are driving and you just want to drive by the White House, 8th Street, which is one way headed eastbound, is going to have you drive right past the White House. Now, if you are at car level, you're gonna get that statue of a man on a horse, that's Andrew Jackson, blocking your view of the White House. So it is best to do it on foot. Now you can also drive by the south side Constitution Avenue, which is two ways. So you want to be heading westbound, otherwise you might have a double-decker bus blocking your view. Head westbound on Constitution Avenue and the White House will be off to your right. Okay, so that is how you can see the White House. Best way to do it is on a tour with us, DC by foot. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of travel tips and virtual tours of everything you should see in Washington, DC.